My name is Devin Navarrete, that's Teresa Jaimes, Miss Israel Trinidad, and we are from Benito Juarez High School, Chicago, Illinois, and our title is It's So Amazing by Robbie H. Harris.
This book is so amazing. It's a wonderful book to have in the library for ages 10 and over. This book is educational in every aspect it shows. It shows how the body changes as the years go on. It shows what the body goes through when it undergoes puberty. Nowadays, teens and preteens are not aware of their functioning of their own bodies. By reading this book, it will give them knowledge of their bodies. Because of their reproductive system, it's hard for teens to stop their bodies to have their own babies, which they are not ready for. And hard for them during their high school lives, which millions of teenagers are experiencing. That's why it's important to have this book in schools everywhere.
The challenge is relocated from the young adult to the adult section of the Fort Bend Country Libraries in Richmond.